And what that does is it makes it...
I couldn't find that in your music.
Hey everybody, Francois from Homeport here. Just wanted to take this opportunity to make a video and talk about one of my favorite pans in the shop and the reasons why. So the one that I've selected right here is from a company called Heritage Steel, and they do this 7-ply stainless steel cookware. There's three or four things that I really like about it. One is that on the inside they've got 316 Ti stainless steel, which is completely inert, resistant to corrosion, and just a really safe and high-quality stainless steel to use in your pans. And it's typically higher quality than what you'd find in most stainless steel pans. On the outside, they've got T304 stainless steel, which is highly resistant to corrosion. And it'll patina a lot slower than other stainless steel pans will as well. On the inside, what they've got going on is very soft aluminum, which conducts heat really well and really quickly and evenly. Because it's so soft, they have to attach 2 layers of harder aluminum on either side of that to get it to stick to the steel that they're using inside. And so that accounts for 2 of the other layers. Right there, and just makes it so that, like, if you set this on a flame or on a hot stove top, it's up to temperature within seconds. It's so fast. If you poured cold water into it right now, it'd feel like you were pouring it right into your hand. So that's one of them, and then they also put a layer of ferritic steel inside so that it can be used on induction cooktops. And it's an American company. They've been doing this for a long time. I think their average employee's been there longer than 31 years. So it's a really great, really close, kind of small American company that makes a really good pan. So there you go. This pan is 8.5 inches, and it starts at $49.99. Thanks for watching.